Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety and awareness program. You may be knowing me, I am Sadashiv. Last so many days I used to come here and give you the safety oriented classes. First, I have given you a general safety awareness about 10 videos. Then I have given you 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness. Then I have also given you 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we have come to the industrial safety awareness program, and I have given already a 14 video on last classes. So today my class is a 15th classes for this industrial safety awareness program. I request you everybody, this is a continuous education and training program which I used to give in every alternate days, that is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The purpose of this classes is there to get awareness of the safety among those people who are working in the industry so that they can work better in the industry. This is not only for safety person, the other person also they can attend the class and get some idea about the industrial safety. Okay, so let us come to the subject now. So what I have started talking in last class means what is PPE? PPE means personal protective equipment. There I already mentioned that there are two type of a PPE mainly. One is non-respiratory and respiratory PPE. Now today we are going to discuss on respiratory PPE. Last class also I have mentioned that this respiratory PPEs are very important things and that we have to know some more details. Once for that purpose only I am discussing these classes today. So today's my class is what is RPE, respiratory PPE, protective equipment. What do you mean by respiratory? The air we are inhaling. That process is called respiration. Inhaling and exhaling both are there. So when we are working in industry or in the other area, there is air can get so many type of contamination by either in the mechanical like dust fumes etc will be there. They depending upon the working area. As for as an example, those who are working in the quarries and other things, so much of dust will be there. Those who are working in the coal area, that coal dust will be there. Similarly, those who are working in other area like fumes and other thing, chemical plant. So different type of air contamination is always there. So in order to protect our respiratory system better way, or we have to get a good quality of in the air, what we have to means we have to protect our lungs and other thing by giving a good qualities of air. For that purpose, this respiratory protective equipments we are using. There are 3-4 types are there, and whatever the normal important types which we are using, that only I am going to discuss it. First, this equipment is mechanical filter respirator equipment. What do you mean by mechanical filter respirator equipment means the air is contaminated with so many dust or suspended particles, we can say that. Such places where dust fumes somewhere there what we can do means a simple filter will be needed. Even for nowadays people, those who are when the coronas and other thing, they are also using a filter. That one mask is there. That simply here also a mechanical type of filter is there that we are using, covering our nose and mouth, so that only good qualities of air will be, that whatever the contaminated particles is there, that will be captured in the filter and we are getting a good qualities of air. This is not 100 percentage, but at least about nearly 85 to 95 percentage we can have protection for this dust and other thing from this type of a mechanical filter. There are different type of different type or different models of equipments are there. Simple like a surgical like a mask is there, N95 mask is there, cotton mask is there. Similar type mechanical filter equipment industry which we are using, only some type of filter we are using in the mouth and covering with the mouth and noses. So this is a simple type of mechanical filter equipment. Next one is a chemical cartridge filter. Chemical cartridge respirator is that where the people, those who are working in the chemical area like ammonia, chlorine, or any other sulfuric acid, such type of places, there's a lot of fumes will be there from the chemicals, like ammonia gas will be there, or H2SO, or that sulfuric acid gases will be there, and so many other chlorine gases is there. Such places, so ordinary just filter is not sufficient. There what happens, there only contaminated particles will be only filtered. Here we have to be on a good qualities of air in order that chemical contamination to be avoided. That for that a special type of a cartridge we are providing inside the filter, inside the mask or air thing, that equipment, so that whatever the air which we are inhaling, that will be first neutralized with the chemical cartridge, then only it will go to our lungs. So that is a chemical cartridge respirator. Then next one is a airline respirator. Airline respirator, that is ALR. We can say that suppose the paper wire is already contaminated there, so that with some mask and one pipe will be there. And suppose the airline is there in the long way, so a long pipe will be attached there, and we are inhaling a good qualities of air, and then people can be work there. That is simple airline respirator system. These are the systems available in the industry. Next, another important system is SCABA or SCABI, self-contained breathing apparatus or self-contained breathing equipment. Here, the person, those who want to work in a very contaminated area, like suppose smoke, fumes, etc. are there, or in the there is no oxygen percentage is very less. Such places, this SCABA is there. SCABA contain is air cylinder is there. That is, when you are talking about air cylinder means you may be thinking that it is very heavy. It is not a very heavy cylinder. It is a small cylinder, but it can contain, it can store good qualities of air with the high pressure there, because it is made up a special type of alloy. And then this air, air we are storing in the cylinder, and there is a special attachment is there, and with the mask for breathing the air in the working there. So the people, those who have to work such area, this type of air cylinder they have to carry in the back side, and breathing apparatus and other thing will be in the front side. So they can also adjust the required air demand of air, and maximum this can work for about nearly 45 to 50 minutes only, or even 1 hour only. So the person, those who are in a contaminated like any confined area and other thing, they can use this type of a SCABA, self-contained breathing apparatus or self-contained breathing equipment. So there is another way nowadays there. The exhaling air itself containing about nearly the 17% of the oxygen is there. So this oxygen we can again to improve it with some chemical addition. Then we can circulate a type of mask is also, this equipment is also coming there, but that is not not satisfactory that we can say that the open type is a good thing. That also available. That is what I want to tell you. So this is a SCABA or SCABI, self-contained breathing apparatus or self-contained breathing equipment. Now, in addition, there's a gas mask respirator with canister. Suppose the gas area is there, a lot of gas contaminated area is there. The people has to be work for a longer time. Then what is there now? Is just a small cartridge for that is not sufficient. It cannot work for a longer time. So a separate box which is canister that we can say that itself is attached, so that whatever the air is there, that air will be passed through this canister, and it is filtered, and it will go to the some equipment is there, that is called a gas mask respirator with canister. There are lot of so many other equipments are also there. These are some of the equipment which are normally available in the industry for this RPE. This RPE means respiratory protection equipment, normally commonly available equipment. So what are the things? I will just repeat it again. One is a mechanical filter respirator, second is a chemical cartridge respirator, third is a airline respirator, and fourth is a SCABA, self-contained breathing apparatus or self-contained breathing equipment, and fourth one is a gas mask respirator, fifth one is a gas mask respirator with canister. So these are some type of a RPEs available in the industry. I hope that you got some ideas, so some knowledge about the RPE system. If you like the class, please share it and subscribe it. Wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Thank you to everybody. Okay, bye.